There they are. Guys, I have got a video for y'all today. Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and over here got Big Zeus under the carport. Gonna talk to you about a product that was introduced to me. I was like, yeah, you know, if I'm ever in a situation where I've got a dead battery, I can do jumper cables. There's always somebody to help out. Well, that is not always the case. I'm always one for preventive maintenance and being prepared. Well, being prepared wasn't quite what I had in mind a few months back when I run into a dead battery. Yeah, you got jumper cables, but then there was nobody around with another car to help me out. So there I was. I said, I never want to be caught again with a dead battery and not be able to do something about it. So I reached out to Andeman and I asked them point blank, what do you guys have that would benefit me and my ride and possibly family members and other people on the side of the road that may need my help? This right here is a must-have, I'm telling you guys. It's the multifunction jump starter model E-Power-155 Pro. All right, you can take this anywhere, keep it in your glove box. It is a lifesaver. It comes in its own carrying pouch like this. I want to open this thing up, check it out, show you guys. It's a jump pack, but not only for your car battery. It's got everything you need here. This is pretty cool. See this? Got netting here that holds your connectors, your alligator clips. To set this thing up, what we're going to do is you've got a USB-C connector that's an input right here and USB on this side. So you can plug that into anything in your house to charge that's USB. Also, you can, I've just got this laying around. This is not included in the kit, but it's a USB to the 125, 110 wall outlet. Plug that in, it'll charge even faster with the wall outlet. Okay, so that's it right here up top. You've got the input and you've got two USB outputs right there. That way you can charge your cell phone, your tablet, whatever. Pretty cool, huh? And you want to charge this unit fully before using it. But what I'm about to show you is the coolest. I mean, this makes it even more convenient than, okay, let's say taking it in my house, charging it up. Okay, but sometimes you forget to do that. All right. What about if we just put this in the glove box on these newer vehicles that's got an input charging cable, and every time the vehicle's running, it's charging it. How about that? So it's always there, charged up, ready to go. You're on the side of the road, or say your buddy or somebody at the gas station is in need, somebody on the side of the road is in need, and you're like, hey, we're ready to go. I got you right here. They're like, you got jumper cables? Don't need them. Let's head on in the truck. I open my center console. See it right there? Okay. What I'm going to do is plug it up to your USB that's not always on. You don't want to plug it into a constant 12-volt source or it will drain your battery. So we want to start the vehicle. And with it starting, you're going to notice it's going to come on. It's going to take a second. There it is. Came on just like that. Now, if yours comes on without the vehicle started and it stays on, it'll come off and on like that to show you it's charging. But if yours stays on all the time, then do not use that charging port or it'll drain your battery. So mine is on a USB port inside the vehicle that is a switched 12-volt source. And if you've got that, you can charge it going down the road just like this. Always. All right, let's pop the hood and I'll show you just how easy this thing is to use. We're trying to start the truck right now, but the battery is very weak. It's not starting it. I've got to go get a new battery, but in the meantime, check this out. So what you want to do is get out your fully charged jump pack, pull the little rubber cover off the side. It'll only plug in one way, so you can't mess this up. All right. Okay. Gonna hook the black to black. Remove our red boot back here. Red to red, just like that. Now we remove the ground. Now the positive, put everything back to normal there. Remove our terminals from the jump pack. And we are done. Show you guys something else. You've got the light function. Hold it down. All right. Helps you work on things. Pretty bright. You've also got strobe function or SOS for help. Now, it comes with a charging cable to charge the jump box, but you guys will have to purchase your cables for your particular phone or iPads or Androids, whatever. I got these right here, which is a USB to standard iPhone connector, and I've also got a USB to USB-C connector. So I'm prepared for whatever comes. I'll put links in the description below where you can pick up your cables, also the jump box, and I'm gonna show you this real quick though. Let's just say you're somewhere and you don't have power, so you can plug in your USB to iPhone. All right, and you're gonna plug it in right here. All right, you're gonna turn it on. All right guys, I appreciate you tuning in for the video today. I hope that you guys take my recommendation. Check these guys out. This is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna put this thing back in the truck, keep it charged up. You heard that tip from Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. Yeah, keep it charged up. Don't take it to the house to charge it up. You forget all about it. If you've got power ports that are 12-volt accessory fuse, not constant, then you can keep it charged up in your vehicle at all times. Just saying, hey, check them out. Catch you on the next video. Later now.